PantrySoft allows current PCC students to place orders online for food and basic necessities and schedule pickups across all 4 PCC campuses. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to register for an account, shop the pantry, and pick up your items. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Panther Pantry information page. Scroll down to the section titled How to Access the Panther Pantry. Find the sentence about new users and click the link that says Create a PantrySoft account using their MyPCC credentials. You are now on the PantrySoft homepage. In the top right corner, you can select your preferred language from the drop-down menu. To continue, click the button that says Login at Portland Community College. Please note, you may be asked to sign into your PCC account before arriving at the registration page. Welcome to the registration page. You only need to register once per school year. Be sure to complete all required fields marked with a red asterisk. Under Primary Household Member Information, enter the following details. Your G number. This is your student ID number at PCC. You can find it on your student ID card or in your profile on your MyPCC account. Enter your first name, your last name, and your date of birth. Be sure to enter your birth date in the month, day, year format. You can also use the calendar icon on the right to select your date instead of typing it manually. Under Contact Information, enter your PCC student email. This is where your order confirmation will be sent, along with updates about events like free food markets from the Basic Needs team. Entering your phone number is optional, but it provides another way to contact you during the ordering process. For additional household member counts, entering this information helps with reporting and planning. Don't worry, no personal or identifying information is ever shared. If you live with other people, let us know how many fall into each age group. Under registration questions, you can provide information pertaining to your race, ethnicity, veteran status, and pronouns. All fields are optional except for one. You'll need to answer how many people is this food for. When you're done, press Save and Continue to move to the next page. Now that you've successfully registered for a PantrySoft account, you can schedule when and where you'd like to pick up your order. First, choose your desired pickup location from the drop-down menu. Each campus, Cascade, Rock Creek, Southeast, and Sylvania, has its own Panther Pantry pickup sites. Next, choose your pickup type. You can pick up your order from a locker or in person at a Panther Pantry during regular business hours. Either way, your order will be prepackaged and ready for you when you arrive. After selecting your pickup location and type, choose a pickup time from the available options. This tells us when to have your order ready for you. Click the orange circle with the plus sign to select your preferred pickup date and time frame. This will automatically take you to the shopping page. Welcome to the shopping page. You can now browse and select the items you would like from the pantry. On the left side, you can view your appointment details. You can cancel your order or go back to the previous page to edit your appointment. At the top of the page, you'll see a green timer showing how much time you have left to shop before your session times out. The timer resets every time you select an item. Items are divided into categories like baby, condiments, and more. Each category and item has a limit on how many you can select during your current shopping session. For more details about an item, click its square card to view the description on the back. To add an item to your cart, click the orange circle with the plus sign on the right. To remove an item, click the circle with the minus sign on the left. The credit cost of each item is shown on the top right corner of the item's card. Your number of credits or remaining balance is shown on the screen. Each student gets 50 credits per month. Most items cost a certain number of credits per unit, and as you add items to your cart, your remaining credits update in real time. Please note, if you need your order stored in a wheelchair-accessible locker, make sure to select that option if it's available. To review or update the number of items in your cart, click the shopping cart icon in the top right corner, or use the Open Cart to Checkout button at the bottom of the page. When you're ready, click Checkout Now to complete your order. Once you've successfully placed your order, you'll see an order summary screen. It will show your pickup date and time, your selected location, a summary of the items that you ordered, and an option to add the pickup to your calendar. In addition to the order summary page, you'll also receive a confirmation email with detailed pickup instructions. If you chose a locker pickup, when your items are ready, you'll receive a follow-up email with a specific code. Once you have the code, go to your pickup location and follow the on-screen instructions to open your locker. If you chose to pick up your order from a Panther pantry, simply arrive during your scheduled pickup time and present your student ID. Your order will be ready when you arrive. No matter which pickup option you choose, please be sure to pick up your order on time. If you don't, your items may be returned and your credits will be refunded. You will need to wait until the following week to place a new order. If you're experiencing any difficulties, please contact the Basic Needs team for assistance. Thanks for watching our tutorial on accessing the Panther Pantry. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact the Basic Needs team or stop by the Panther Pantry at your nearest campus. We're here to help. Thanks again, and see you next time.